Assalamu alaikum, Amana from Morocco and you're watching Moroccistani Reactions. In today's video, I'll react to luxurious bus service in Pakistan from Lahore to Islamabad via Q Connect. So very interesting. देखने वाली वीडियो है कि पाकिस्तान में कौन सी luxurious bus service होती हैं, किस तरह होती हैं, तो देखते हैं. And let's start the video. 1, 2, 3.
Mama, I love this bus and I really love it.
तो एयरप्लेन में तो मैं जा नहीं पाऊंगी बिजनेस क्लास में, तो सोचा कि बस ही ट्राई कर दूं.
Pakistan.
So now the time to say goodbye to this amazing place Lahore has come, and I'm leaving Lahore and going to Islamabad. I had amazing time here in Lahore. I met so many kind people. I had amazing food here, although which I did not show it to you guys, but मैं छुप छुप के खा रही थी. Yeah. And I'm going to Islamabad today, and I'm going in this bus service known as Q Connect, which is said to be the most expensive bus from Lahore to Islamabad. और इसका प्राइस है 3,150 Pakistani rupees. And one of the main reason why I've chosen this bus is because I watched this YouTuber known as Amin Hafiz, and I'm a huge fan of his. So I saw him going in this bus. So this is the bus right here, and then I was like, no, I have to go in this bus as well. They say that it is like a business bus, business class bus, something like that. तो एयरप्लेन में तो मैं जा नहीं पाऊंगी बिजनेस क्लास में, तो सोचा कि बस ही ट्राई कर दूं. There are like two timing for this bus. One is morning at 11 a.m. and one is at 4 p.m. So I'm taking the 4 p.m. bus because I couldn't wake up in the morning. Simple. बहुत दूर है. Let's go inside and get my ticket first. So this is the bus station here, which is right next to the airport, and let's go inside. No mask, no entry. So this one is a check-in here.
check-in भी नहीं करना मैंने साथ में.
नीचे बुकिंग
नहीं.
This one is my bag here. This is the area where you can come and take a rest. The boarding has started and now going to keep my bag inside. ओहो, गिर गया मेरा बैग. ठीक से रख दीजिएगा, ये नहीं तो ये फिर निकल जाएगा ऊपर वाला जो है. नहीं जाएगा ना, इसको टाइट करना पड़ेगा लग रहा है.
कुछ नहीं होता.
कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है, ठीक है. ओके. Here is my ticket. Seat is 3C, right?
Temperature? Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Let's go inside, guys. So my seat is 3C. Let's find 3C. 3A, B, C. I got my seat here. Look at this, guys. So this is my seat.
Single
And I think I'm going to be sitting here alone.
Double.
And no one is going to be sitting here. And you can see there are some television.
Screens भी है.
I think a movie is being played. And here at the top there is
अंदर से तो जहाज जैसा लग रहा
overhead
है.
bin cabin. What do you say here? I'll just close this. This is how it looks here. Oh, this actually feels so spacious, so luxurious. You can see it here. And I think there are some buttons here which will help me to adjust my seat accordingly. And look at it, it's so comfortable. And I'm alone in this entire seat. And I have a television of my own. How do I do it? All on, off, red lamp, soft light. What is a soft light? Ah, so this is the soft light. They also have this so that you can watch whatever you want. So I've just used this one to extend my leg like this. Let me. Oh. And I will use this one again to bring it back to normal. That's it.
Nice.
This is the call button, I guess. Let me just call one of them. How do you open this? Oh, thank you. Is this the toilet? Washroom, right? And this one here is the washroom. Right here. Thank you. Thank you. And there is also like a gap here. You can keep your water here if you have it. I don't have, but I'll last time for it. So it's going to take me like 4.5 hours to 5 hours to reach Islamabad from Lahore, and uske baad after reaching to Islamabad I have booked a hostel. I heard it's the first ever hostel in Islamabad, so I'll be staying there for like 2 nights. Uske baad then I'll be going to the northern part of Pakistan, which is the most beautiful part, and I'm very excited. But first of all I have to figure out how I can use this. So she gave me the water. अब मैं इसमें पानी डालूंगी here. So you need a mouse to play YouTube. What's your name?
My name is Sunera.
Sunera? Are you from Lahore itself?
Yes, ma'am?
Are you from Lahore?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been working here in Q Connect?
You couldn't, ma'am. I wish. I wish.
You're not working here in Q Connect? I mean, how long you have been working in Q Connect?
Ma'am, I love this bus and I really love it.
You really love it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, of course. It's like one of the best bus I've heard.
My
Right?
favorite job.
Your favorite job?
This is my best achievement in my life.
So happy for you.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'll do it. Thank you so much. She gave me the mouse, but okay. Why is the mouse not working? Why? So I've just got the menu here, 2 of them, and per menu it is like, I mean per order it is like 500 rupees. So I can order anything from the menu per order 500. So I think I will order chicken, rice, or maybe a sandwich. I'm not really sure what I'm going to order. I went out for a while. There was a quick stop here and my meal has arrived. So let's just dig in. This is the food that I requested for. Some chicken achari, rice, salad and raita. And I also have a cold drink and some dessert. Rice tastes so much better than the one that you get in the flight. And जो car जो आसमान में नहीं, I mean the car, what am I saying? I mean जो मज़ा, you know, when the car is moving on the ground, not in the आसमान, अलग ही है इसका बात. It's like eating on the train, just that you are not on the train. It's like eating on the flight. It's like so much better than that. Finally reached here to Islamabad, and it is currently 9 o'clock, 8:44, 9, almost 9 p.m. And now I'm waiting for a cab for Karim to go and take me to the hostel. It's like 30 minutes from here, so let's see. The ride was quite comfortable though. I was watching some movie और मैंने इतना कुछ किया नहीं अंदर, बस मूवी देखा. खाना बहुत अच्छा था यहाँ का. The food was amazing. I think I highly recommend it. I would highly recommend you to use this bus if you have the budget. If not, I'm sure even the other buses are better. But yeah, it was a quite comfortable journey here.
अंदर फ्लोर तो अंदर वेटिंग एरिया में
जी
अंदर बैठ अंदर फ्लोर
ठीक है Thank you. Now I'm just go inside and wait करूँगी अपना cab. So this is the waiting area of the Q Connect here in Islamabad. मेरे बैग के लिए look at this. Finally made it here. I reached my hostel, and after reaching to the hostel I found out that I had booked a mixed room and there were some guys in that room. So the owner of the hostel, he was so kind that he upgraded me to a twin room. And let me just show you the room here. So I'm paying like $20 for 2 nights. This is the bag here, and here is the mirror, and a bathroom here, a toilet, and this is a shower place. Let me show you outside as well. And this is the living room here, right here, and this one is the kitchen. Great. So yeah, I guess this is it for today. I'm very tired from the bus journey, but it was totally worth it. And finally here I am in Islamabad. तो फिर मिलते हैं कल, and good night, take care.
So impressed. मतलब बस के अंदर बिल्कुल जहाज़ का एक्सपीरियंस inside a bus in Pakistan. It's totally amazing and impressive. बिल्कुल जो है वो अंदर से जहाज़ जैसा लग रहा है. Comfortable seats and screens भी है, and अंदर hostess भी है, जैसे एयर hostess होते हैं जहाज़ में, तो वैसे ही मतलब हर चीज़ अंदर से जो है वो बिल्कुल आपको जहाज़ वाली एक्सपीरियंस दे रहे हैं बस के अंदर. ऐसी बस तो नहीं है मोरक्को में, तो पहली दफ़ा देख रही हूँ इतनी लग्जरियस बस, वो भी पाकिस्तान में. और कुछ पाकिस्तान में और कुछ अच्छा हो ना हो, खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए. तो जैसे उन्होंने कहा है कि खाना बहुत अच्छा था और जहाज़ से भी अच्छा था खाना, और मतलब वॉशरूम भी था, खाना भी था, सब कुछ था जैसे जहाज़ में होता है. तो रियली इम्प्रेसिव, बहुत आई एम सो इम्प्रेस्ड. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतनी लग्जरियस बस सर्विस होती है पाकिस्तान में. ज़रूर ट्राई करना चाहूँगी. फ्रॉम लाहौर टू इस्लामाबाद या इस्लामाबाद टू लाहौर. इंशाल्लाह अगर चांस लगा वहाँ जाने का, तुम ट्राई करना, ज़रूर ट्राई करना पसंद करेंगे. And thank you so much for suggesting me this video, and see you in the next one. Till then, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.
मैंने देखा पाकिस्तान, जहाँ से मेरा धरती